How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best setting for your ASUS VG25. So the first thing that I recommend is switching to the highest refresh rate possible. You could go ahead and look at this specific setting inside your display setting, scroll down, click the advanced display setting, and from there you have the refresh rate. Just make sure that you select the highest refresh rate possible so you will get the smoothest picture. From there, you then want to navigate through the OSD controls. Most likely, it's going to be this specific joystick behind the actual monitor, or there's going to be buttons on the border of the monitor that you could click in order to adjust the monitor's setting. It will simply look something like this on the side of your monitor. You could just use the buttons to operate the setting and then set the following options right here. Refresh rate 280 Hz. Adaptive sync is going to be on. The ELMB sync is off unless using fixed FPS. The game visual is racing mode because I believe this provides us with the best visual overall performance. The shadow boost is level 1 to 2. Overdrive is 80, and the ASUS extreme low motion blur is going to be off. Now for colors. Brightness 35 to 50, but of course you want to adjust this depending on your room lighting. Contrast 80, color temperature warm, gamma 2.2, saturation 50, and sharpness is going to be between 0 and 50, but of course default is fine. Now, if you want to tune your RGB, red is going to be at 100, green 95, and blue at 90. And the last option is going to be for competitive gamings out there like Apex Legends, Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, etc. Refresh rate highest possible. Trace free is going to be 80. Adaptive sync on. Shadow boost level 2. HDR is off, and the ELMB is going to be off. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.